should I really even start? I mean, where the fuck should I really even start? I got hoes that I'm keeping in the dark. I got my niggas across the street living large. Thinking back to the fact that they dead on my raps on the facts they sat with the bars. I got two phones wanting me to charge. They twins, I can tell they ass apart. I got big packs coming on the way. I got big stacks coming out of save. I got hoes that I'm keeping in the dark. I got my niggas across the street living large. Thinking back to the fact that they dead on my raps on the facts they sat with the bars. I got two phones wanting me to charge. They twins, I can tell they ass apart. I got big packs coming on the way. I got big stacks coming out of save. When I die, put my money in the grave. I really gotta put a couple niggas in their place. When I die, put my money in the grave. I really gotta put a couple niggas in their place. When I die, put my money in the grave. I really gotta put a couple niggas in their place. When I die, put my money in the grave. I really gotta put a couple niggas in their place. Put this thing on my face. Rolls with a mask in the cave. Nah, we don't bring it out of the grave.